in this presentation, I'm going to go ahead and talk about the strategies of YouTube ads. So before starting the practicals, how we can create our video ads, first let's learn about some strategies how we can create a successful YouTube ads. That's, of course, we need to get expertise for that, which we can learn separately as well. But as of now, we can get some strategies, ideas. So my first strategy, which I personally apply for myself as well for my YouTube ads, what I do, there is a number of strategies. First, using custom search intent. That's my first strategy. In the strategy, what I'll do is I target those audiences who search on Google with their keywords. Suppose my ad is related to beauty. In the beauty, suppose my ad, people search on Google with they search with beauty or beauty of skincare or beautiful makeup or how to maintain the beauty, anything, whatever they search. Now, suppose they search, as I told you, in the display ads or in the YouTube ads, the keywords are always the broad match. Now, suppose they have used the beauty word and now my keyword is beauty. Now, what would happen once they search on Google and after they go to the YouTube, they'll see my ad because my ad is related to beauty, right? And Google has picked up that data and the customer's intent that he is or she is searching with beauty. Now, once they will go to YouTube, they will definitely gonna see the ad of beauty, and that's gonna be my ad. Of course, if I want my customer to see my ad, what would happen? Of course, it totally depends on bidding as well. And of course, the searching of the customers. So once they see their ads, they see your ads, you can spread your brand awareness, or as well as you can let them know about your products as well. So this was the first strategy, which is using customer search intent. Second, that's going to be the targeting customers platform. Targeting the different platforms. Suppose what I'll do, I'll go to YouTube and so see those videos which are related to my ad. Suppose my ad is related to skincare. So I'll go ahead and search the videos related to skincare. And inside those videos, I'll run my ad. That's my display ad. Or maybe I'll run the, the skippable ads, which you can skip in 5 seconds. And those ads are called in-stream ads, which means while watching a video, suppose my customer is watching a skincare video of a different particular person. And inside that, we see an ad. That's mine ad, which you can skip in 5 seconds. That's called in-stream ad, which I told you in the previous video, which is skippable ads. We can also known as that. This is also known as in-stream ads. So these are two strategies. First, using customer search intent, where we target those audiences who uses our keywords on Google, and once they come to YouTube, they see our YouTube ads. And second, it's going to be targeting different platforms. What we do, we go to YouTube and we search the relatable videos, which is relatable to our ads. And inside that ad, we run our in-stream ads. Inside those videos, we run our in-stream ads. These are called our true strategies. And next, it's going to be the third one. Our third strategy is going to be custom search intent. This is relatable with the first strategy where we target those audiences who searches on Google. What we do is we'll create those audiences and then we'll show them our video discovery ad. As I told in the previous video, what is a video discovery ad? That's very simple. Suppose you're watching a video or a customer is watching a video. Inside, just below to that video, you'll see my ad suggestion. That's called a video discovery ad. So what I did, with the help of only single strategy, I made two strategies. Though I targeted those audiences who searches on Google and with the same keywords. First, what I did, I showed them a normal ad, YouTube ad. And then secondly, I showed to the same audiences, I showed my video discovery ad. Now, whosoever has seen my video discovery ad, I made a different audience to them, and I'll show them the in-stream ads. This is how I remarket them. Now, suppose this is my this is my main audience. I showed them two types of ads. First, while watching the video. Second, while watching the video, just below to that, the video discovery ad. And whosoever has seen my video discovery ad, they are now seeing in-stream ads. I'll make a different audience of them and then I'll show them the in-stream ads. This is how you can make a tree of everything. You can redirect your customers towards your ads. That totally depend on you. You just need to use some tricks like logics. Everything is good. This is what my third strategy is. Now I'll go to my fourth strategy. That's a very good one. Now the fourth audience is gonna be the similar audiences. Now in the similar audiences, what happened is whosoever sees or saw your ad, what Google AdWords do, it creates the same kind of audiences for you. Like in Facebook, we have lookalike audiences. Similarly, in our Google Ads, we have similar audiences, which is created by Google AdWords. So what we do is, whatever would be the similar audiences, we can direct them towards our ads. So that's a different audience for us. That's our fourth strategy. Fifth, you can take it as a strategy. Like, what you can do is you can show your ads to your subscriber as well. Suppose you have thousands of subscriber, and what you can do, you can make audience of your subscriber and show them ads. This is what my 5 strategies are, which I'm sharing with you. Now, what you can do is, what I want you to do today is take a notepad, or instead of notepad, take an Excel sheet and try to use these 5 strategies for your own business. Suppose our first strategy was using our customer search intent. What we did, we picked up the keywords and we picked up those kind of audiences. So try to create those keywords so that once we start creating the ads for your website, you don't need to think. At least you should have a data with you, right? Create those custom keywords for you. Then second, what we did, we had those YouTube links. So try to watch the YouTube videos which is relatable to your ads and copy the links on your Excel sheet. Then third, you cannot do this because third one was our custom search, which is relatable to words. And then for the similar audiences, of course, we cannot go for that. Fifth is your subscriber. Once we'll create the channel and once we'll do the ads, then you would have your subscriber too. So I want you to do these 2 things till the next presentation, or till the time when we start creating our own websites. The own ads for your real websites. Till then, I believe you are keep on practicing on your dummy channel or on your dummy websites. I want you to do that because, of course, there's a saying, practice makes a man perfect. So make yourself perfect in every field. All right. Till then, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next presentation.